It's important even from a young age to let babies learn conversational skills of they talk, you respond, and they make noises back. So we do this all the time with Scotty. Tell me. What do you think? And for little babies, sometimes it's cooing, sometimes it's facial expressions. We always want to reward them for interacting with us. So as he smiles, we're going to come do it again. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, you're sick of being stuck at home? Uh-huh, me too. Tell me more. Yeah, I think we have lots of friends sick of being stuck at home, but it's for the best right now. What are your thoughts on COVID? Yeah? Scotty's thoughts are he hopes everyone is staying healthy and social distancing, but he hopes he gets to see all of his friends again soon.